These Amazon kitchen gadgets are actually worth your money this month. They make cooking easier, save valuable space, and help with faster meal prep. Don't miss number 7. It's an incredible everyday find. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Joseph Folio Premium 3-piece Bamboo Cutting Board Set. Featuring 3 durable bamboo cutting boards in different sizes, this set gives you a convenient surface for everything from vegetables to meats and everyday ingredients. The slimline stainless steel storage case keeps the boards neatly organized while saving valuable counter space. Stylish, practical, and perfect for keeping your kitchen tidy and efficient. Simplify your cooking with this versatile 2-in-1 rice cooker and induction cooktop. With a 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cook capacity, it conveniently prepares rice while also serving as a portable induction burner. Choose from 7 cooking modes, use the built-in timer, and monitor calories with ease. Compact and space-saving, it's perfect for apartments, small kitchens, meal prep, and convenient everyday cooking. Tenderize and prepare your favorite foods with the KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer. Its versatile design features multiple textured sides for pounding and tenderizing meats, as well as crushing nuts, shellfish, and more. The sturdy construction is built for reliable kitchen use, while the convenient hang hole makes storage simple. A practical tool for home cooks looking to prepare delicious, tender meals with ease. Say goodbye to messy, time-consuming cheese prep. The Zuli Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater makes shredding and slicing fast and effortless. With 5 interchangeable stainless steel drums, you can grate cheese, slice vegetables, and more with a simple hand crank motion. Its reinforced suction base keeps the grater firmly in place, while the compact design makes it easy to use and store. Perfect for everyday kitchen prep. Turn your KitchenAid stand mixer into a homemade pasta machine with this metal gourmet pasta press attachment. Built with a durable metal design, it comes with 5 interchangeable plates for creating spaghetti, bucatini, fusilli, and both large and small macaroni. Simply add your favorite pasta dough and let the attachment do the work. Perfect for making fresh, delicious pasta at home with less effort and more variety. Slice and dice hard-boiled eggs with ease using the KITCHENDAO replaceable egg slicer. Featuring durable stainless steel cutting wires, dual direction cutting, and a sturdy non-slip base, it creates neat, uniform slices or dices in seconds. The comfortable handle makes prep effortless, while its dishwasher-safe design ensures quick and easy cleanup. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, and snacks. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with this 10-inch bamboo turntable Lazy Susan. Featuring 2 spacious tiers and a smooth 360-degree rotating design, it keeps spices, sauces, jars, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to reach. Crafted from durable bamboo, its space-saving design fits perfectly in cabinets or on countertops, helping you maximize storage while keeping everything within easy access. Make food prep and entertaining effortless with the Farberware Bamboo Build-A-Board. This 11 by 14-inch cutting and serving board features a clear locking lid and 6 convenient compartments for organizing snacks, cheeses, fruits, meats, and more. Crafted from beautiful bamboo, it works as a practical cutting board, snack tray, or charcuterie platter. Stylish, versatile, and perfect for everyday meals or entertaining guests. Extract fresh, flavorful juice with ease using the Zuli Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer. This heavy-duty citrus press is built for oranges, lemons, limes, and other citrus fruits, helping you get more juice with less effort. Its sturdy cast iron construction provides excellent pressing power, while the detachable strainers make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for bartenders, juice lovers, and anyone who enjoys fresh, homemade citrus juice. Make perfectly shaped meatballs in seconds with the stainless steel triple meatball maker. Its innovative design forms 3 uniform meatballs at once, saving time and reducing mess in the kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's easy to use, simple to clean, and perfect for meatballs, fish balls, and other homemade recipes for family meals or entertaining guests. Turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost with the electric kitchen composter. This 4L indoor composting machine features odor-free operation, dual carbon filters, an upgraded brushless motor, auto-clean function, and a smart LED display. Reduce food waste effortlessly while keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. Go green from your countertop for just $221. Expand your Instant Pot possibilities with the official 8-piece cook and bake set. Designed to fit 6-quart and 8-quart Instant Pot cookers, this versatile set is perfect for cooking, baking, storing, and reheating. Made with durable, BPA-free, heat-resistant materials, it's built for convenient everyday use. From delicious desserts to savory meals, this red accessory set makes your Instant Pot even more useful and versatile. Bring the fun of dessert night home with the Lushium Electric Chocolate Fondue Pot Set. Melt chocolate or cheese to perfection with its 4-cup capacity, complete with serving trays, forks, and a spatula for easy dipping. Perfect for couples, family gatherings, date nights, and holiday celebrations. Create delicious memories for just $35. Create delicious, golden Belgian waffles with the Krups 4-slice Belgian waffle maker. Featuring 5 adjustable browning levels, a ready-to-cook beep, and powerful 1,200-watt performance, it delivers perfect results every time. The removable non-stick plates make cleanup easy, while the family-size design lets you cook 4 waffles at once, perfect for busy mornings and weekend breakfasts. Make cooking for family and friends easier with the Kooktron Portable Induction Cooktop. Featuring 2 powerful induction burners and a removable non-stick cast iron griddle pan, it gives you versatile cooking options in one compact design. With 1,800 watts of power, adjustable timing, and a child safety lock, it's perfect for everyday meals, entertaining, and family parties. Portable, convenient, and easy to use. Make everyday food prep faster with the OXO Good Grip Swivel Vegetable Peeler. Its sharp swivel blade smoothly peels potatoes, carrots, apples, cucumbers, and more with minimal effort. The soft, comfortable handle provides a secure, non-slip grip, making peeling easier even during longer prep sessions. Durable, practical, and simple to use, this handy kitchen essential is perfect for home cooks who want quick, efficient results every time. Keep your kitchen countertop neat with the Utoplike Teak Wood Dish Drying Rack. Its 2-tier design provides convenient space for plates, cups, bowls, pans, and pots, while the foldable construction makes storage effortless when not in use. Crafted from teak wood, this compact, space-saving rack is perfect for small kitchens and keeps your dishes organized while they dry. Create delicious veggie noodles in seconds with the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 electric vegetable spiralizer. Designed with 3 cutting cones, it makes spaghetti, linguine, and ribbon-style vegetables with ease. The 6-cup container conveniently catches your freshly cut veggies, helping keep your countertop cleaner. Perfect for zucchini, carrots, cucumbers, and more, this easy-to-use spiralizer is a great way to add fun, fresh, and healthy options to everyday meals. Bring outdoor-style grilling indoors with the Ninja Footy 5-in-1 XL indoor grill and air fryer. This versatile appliance lets you grill, air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate your favorite foods, all from one convenient countertop machine. The XL capacity is great for preparing generous portions, while the powerful cooking system delivers delicious, crispy results. Perfect for busy home cooks who want more cooking options in less space. Keep your refrigerator organized with the Eucopia Roll-Down Egg Dispenser. Its space-saving rolling design automatically brings the next egg forward, making it easy to grab an egg without searching through the fridge. Perfect for keeping eggs neatly arranged and accessible, this smart organizer helps maximize refrigerator space while adding convenience to your everyday kitchen routine. Simplify kitchen cleanup with the Magnetic Drainage Filter Basket 2.0 design. This magnetic corner basket catches food scraps, rinses produce with ease, and features a twist-open bottom for quick disposal, keeping your sink cleaner and more organized. All for just $22. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the Sakugi 2-tier dish drying rack. This compact yet spacious 2-tier design holds dishes, bowls, and utensils efficiently while saving counter space. Built with durable stainless steel and a dedicated cutlery holder, It's perfect for small families and everyday kitchen use. Stylish, sturdy, and practical. All for just $18. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist. The fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Keep your kitchen blades sharp and ready with the Sharpel 191H knife and scissors sharpener. Designed to repair, restore, and sharpen straight and serrated kitchen knives, this versatile tool also works with scissors and other blades. Its easy-to-use design helps bring dull edges back to life quickly and efficiently. Compact, practical, and perfect for home cooks. It's a must-have tool for everyday kitchen maintenance. Cook healthier meals in minutes with the OXO Good Grips silicone steamer. Designed to fit a variety of pots, this flexible, heat-resistant steamer makes steaming vegetables, seafood, and more quick and effortless. Its non-slip handles ensure safe lifting, while the collapsible design allows easy storage. Upgrade your kitchen today for just $19. Tired of uneven homemade bread slices? Meet the Brevklon manual bread slicer. With adjustable thickness, a smooth hand-crank design, built-in scale lines, strong suction cups, and a premium solid wood base, it delivers perfect sourdough slices every time. Beautifully packaged and built to last. Now available for just $1.56. Upgrade your bread-making experience today. Brew your favorite coffee and tea with precision using the Anfalank electric gooseneck kettle. With a 1-liter capacity and powerful 1,500-watt heating, it delivers fast boiling and smooth, controlled pouring. Made from BPA-free stainless steel, it features automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection for added safety. The elegant gooseneck design gives you better control, making every pour-over cup easier, smoother, and more enjoyable. Cook 2 meals at once with the Empsism 12-quart dual-zone air fryer. Use it as one spacious 12-quart megazone, or split it into 2 independent 6-quart baskets with separate cooking presets. Featuring 8 versatile cooking functions, an intuitive LED touchscreen, and a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket, it makes family meals faster, easier, and healthier with delicious crispy results every time. Upgrade your kitchen with the free Winky ceramic olive oil dispenser bottles. This set of 2 16.9-ounce bottles combines elegant ceramic design with convenient pouring spouts for smooth, controlled dispensing. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, dressings, and more, they help reduce mess and keep your ingredients easily accessible. Stylish enough for your countertop and practical for everyday cooking, they're a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Meet the Zojirushi Zudo 5-cup coffee maker, compact, stylish, and built for great taste every morning. This sleek red brewer features a removable water tank for easy filling, a charcoal water filter for cleaner flavor, and a durable, PFAS-free design you can trust. Perfect for small kitchens, it delivers rich, smooth coffee without the hassle, all for just $90. Make perfect crepes and tortillas anytime with the Salton cordless electric crepe maker CM1337. Featuring a non-stick cooking surface, automatic temperature control, and a handy batter dish and spatula, it delivers smooth, evenly cooked crepes with ease. Portable, easy to use, and recipe-ready, all for just $47. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-22-33-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, this spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Open stubborn jars effortlessly with this electric jar opener. Designed for hands-free operation, it automatically grips and twists tightly sealed lids with minimal effort. Perfect for new or hard-to-open jars, this compact kitchen gadget makes everyday food preparation easier and more convenient. Its simple operation and clean white design make it a practical addition to any kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Nanfang Brothers 7-piece Damascus knife set. Featuring ultra-sharp blades and ergonomic ABS handles, it delivers precision, comfort, and durability for every cut. This complete set includes essential knives, kitchen shears, and a stylish block for organized storage. Perfect for both home cooks and pros, it makes food prep faster and easier. All this premium quality for just $85. Make breakfast in minutes with the Dash Round Express electric breakfast maker. Perfect for pancakes, eggs, and more, it heats up quickly and features a non-stick surface for effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Compact, fast, and ideal for busy mornings. Upgrade your breakfast routine today for just $30. Make garlic prep quick and effortless with the Zuli Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. Its rust-proof professional garlic mincer features an easy-squeeze design and soft ergonomic handle for comfortable use. The set also includes a silicone garlic peeler and cleaning brush, making peeling and cleanup simple. Durable, convenient, and easy to use, it's a must-have kitchen tool for home cooks who love fresh garlic in their favorite recipes. Boost your drink business with the Want Join Cup Sealer Machine. This fully automatic sealer handles 500 to 600 cups per hour, features a digital control panel, and delivers fast, leak-proof sealing for bubble tea, coffee, and more, perfect for busy shops, all for just $410. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this upgraded microwave splatter cover. Designed with a built-in water steamer, it helps retain moisture while preventing messy splatters. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift, and the 10-inch size fits most plates and bowls. Durable, convenient, and a must-have kitchen essential for just $21. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Keep your kitchen organized with the Joseph Nest 5 Compact Utensils Set. This clever set includes 5 essential kitchen tools that neatly stack together to save valuable drawer and countertop space. The included magnetic storage stand keeps everything securely organized and easy to access. With a stylish dark gray and stainless steel design and dishwasher-safe construction, it's a practical upgrade for any modern kitchen. Cook big, delicious meals with ease using the 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. Featuring a non-stick PFOA-free ceramic coating, powerful 1600W heating, built-in timer, and 3 adjustable power settings, it's perfect for steak, eggs, ramen, soups, and more. Fast, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $76. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use, all for just $18. Make perfect breakfast sandwiches every time with these stainless steel egg rings. This 4-pack includes non-stick 3.5-inch griddle rings for frying eggs, pancakes, and more with clean, round shapes. It also comes with an oil brush and egg separator for easy cooking and less mess. Durable, simple to use, and only $10. Perfect for quick homemade breakfasts. Make perfectly shaped burgers every time with the Peak Bar Burger Press Patty Maker. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a comfortable wood handle, this non-stick press helps create juicy, uniform patties in seconds. It also includes 100 patty papers for easy stacking and cleanup. Perfect for BBQs, grilling, and homemade burgers, all for just $13. Slice like a pro with the Gramercy adjustable mandolin food slicer. Perfect for potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, fruits, and more, it delivers fast, even cuts every time. Built with durable stainless steel and adjustable settings for precision slicing, it also includes cut-resistant gloves for added safety. At just $39.95, it's the ultimate kitchen tool for quick, effortless meal prep.